Ethereum is projected to drop 0.6% tomorrow, Traders Union forecasts. But first, let's take a second to assess the latest price behavior. According to the latest chart, Ethereum has gained 0.3% and is near $2,131.03. Let's explore what the experts are forecasting. According to Coin Price Forecast, the price could reach $2,135 by May 20, an upside of 0.3%. CoinLore expects Ethereum could approach $2,129, an estimated move higher of 0.1%. According to Gulf Capital Collector, it might push down toward $2,118.58, a potential decrease close to 0.4%. Another analysis from Traders Union notes Ethereum could head toward $2,114.14, a decline close to 0.6%. To finish, CoinDataFlow aims for $2,111.52 by tomorrow. That's 0.8% under today's price. This is the most rewarding forecast in this set. We've covered the analysts. Let's see what's beyond. Here's how the 5 forecasts translate into numbers and probabilities. According to all forecasts, price movement could span from a decrease of 0.8% to a gain of 0.3%. The final takeaway is that CoinDataFlow expects the top return with 0.8% jump in value by May 20. Looking at the numbers, you could see profits of between $1 and $8 for every $1,000 you invest. Using volatility as the basis, CoinLore's forecast shows the strongest probability at 82.2%. Looking at every forecast, I've summarized them into one consensus scenario. Consensus estimate indicate Ethereum hovering near $2,121.65. So, let's check it out in detail. The consensus projection indicates a 0.3% drop in price. By the same percentage, your capital could likewise expand. For a 1,000 setup, the forecast might correspond to $3 gain. Consensus figures indicate that the chance of this forecast being realized is about 80.7%. Here's where we look at the 3-day predictions across analysts. Coin Price Forecast anticipates the price holding steady. Likewise, CoinLore anticipates the market staying quiet. Gulf Capital Collector signals a steady decline. Also, Traders Union anticipates Ethereum falling. For this horizon, CoinDataFlow sees Ethereum heading higher. The consensus signals that Ethereum will likely hover around present levels. So, 60% of analysts are leaning toward a bearish outlook for Ethereum. 2 days ago, 5 forecasts were published. Let's see how they aligned with yesterday's move. As a result, the day's market action settled at $2,130.07. Only 2 of 5 analysts ended up correct about the trend. Looking at the numbers, CoinDataFlow turned out most precise. Now let's break things down step by step. All 5 forecasts missed the candle completely. In terms of ROI, some forecasts were positive and CoinDataFlow delivered the best performance at 2.8%. Now showing the performance check, how each analyst's forecast matched reality. The data for Gulf Capital Collector shows 68.8% forecast probability, $95.99 accuracy, and minus 2.8% ROI. Have a look and decide which forecast came true to life. Let's take a quick look at how the expected profitability for tomorrow compares between Ethereum and a few others. This time Ethereum isn't first as Uniswap posts 1.5% potential gain. For now we compare only 5 coins, and a wider performance comparison of many cryptocurrencies is now live on my website. If you're still here, thank you, and if this gave you value, please like the video before you head out. Catch you later.